Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the EatSure food delivery app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. EatSure is a food delivery app that focuses on safety, hygiene, and reliability while delivering from trusted restaurant brands. Previously known as Behrouz, the app has evolved into a multi-brand food delivery platform under Rebel Foods. It brings together popular restaurant chains like Behrouz Biryani, Oven Story Pizza, The Good Bowl, Ferengi Bake, and more, all under one platform. Available on both iOS and Android, EatSure aims to deliver high-quality meals made in certified kitchens with the assurance of safety and taste. The app's main features include its EatSure Promise, which guarantees 200+ quality checks on every order, and the Double the Delights option, allowing users to order from 2 different restaurants in one delivery. It also offers real-time order tracking, contactless delivery, and cashback rewards through the EatSure wallet and referral program. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean app interface, quick delivery times, and consistent food quality. The app's focus on hygiene and safety, especially with sealed packaging and tamper-proof delivery, has built strong trust among users. The multi-brand ordering option and occasional discounts are also big positives. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report limited restaurant availability in smaller cities and occasional app glitches during payment or tracking. Delivery charges can vary based on location, and customer service response time could be improved. In summary, the EatSure app may be worth using if you value safe, hygienic, and reliable food delivery from well-known brands. It's ideal for users who want multiple cuisine options under one platform and consistent food quality. However, if you prefer broader restaurant choices or faster customer support, other apps might offer more variety. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.